dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello everyone, once again thank you so much for joining Reality Latest GC, home of news and politics. To all amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The Edo State Joint Transaction Committee meeting scheduled for Tuesday was delayed due to disagreement over the provision of critical documents necessary for the section. My people don't be small wicked. Another matter we go carry on give on a busy. Benin Social Cultural Group Igbe Edo Progressive Alliance yesterday capited the restated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu, over alleged anti-Benin diatribes. But before I go bring the mentoring, I would like welcome all our amazing viewers. If today is your first time of watching, I beg you like, subscribe and share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, so that now you go be the first to watch up. Alright, my wonderful people, may we dive into the main story. The Edo State Joint Transition Committee meeting that was scheduled yesterday, being Tuesday, it was delayed due to disagreement over the provision of critical documents necessary for the section. My people don't be small Wàhàla. The committee, which comprises of members of the outgoing governor, Godwin Obasiki's administration, and the team of governor-elect of Edo State, Somondo Oholo, failed to appear at the committee meeting as expected yesterday. Last week, inaugural meeting, the Secretary to the State Government, Joseph Ibubai, commended Governor Godwin Obaseki for maintaining transparent financial record. Joseph had also promised to provide both hard and soft copies of all relevant documents to Pius Odubo-led Transition Committee. Pius was the chairman of Senator Mondo Oholo Transition Team, the governor-elect in Edo State. So now, my people, on Tuesday, only a handful secretariat staff from Governor Godwin Obaseki team was seen at the venue, while the All Progressive Congress Transition Team were notably absent. So speaking to journalists, the secretary of the APC Transition Committee, Honorable Patrick Ikerale, confirmed the absence was due to unavailability of necessary documents ahead of the meeting. So according to Patrick, he said that the APC team had requested copies of the required documents 24 hours advance, a request that was not meant. So he explained that they made it clear in their communications, both oral and written, to Governor Godwin Obaseki led transition team, that they expected all documents to be provided to them at least 24 hours before any scheduled meeting. But unfortunately, what was provided by Governor Godwin Obaseki team did not meet their expectation. So that make them not come for the meeting. So Patrick noted that despite several communications, that the documents supplied by Governor Godwin Obaseki led team fell short of addressing specific concerns raised by the APC team. Patrick highlighted that their inquiries pertain to financial matters, grant, expenditure, and other key areas. He said they have 23 specific areas of interest, which they communicated to Governor Godwin Obaseki led transition team. But what they've received so far mainly showcased the achievement of Governor Godwin Obaseki administration, which is not the focus of their request. So he further revealed that the APC team is drafting a letter. My people don't be small again. To formally, request the outstanding document to allow the transition process to continue. So they are not asking for anything beyond standard practice. According to what practice is saying, he said their focus is to gain clarity on key areas such as financial expenditure, grants, and other crucial matters. Once the required documents are provided to them, he said they can proceed with the meeting. So the next meeting is expected to be rescheduled. Once both parties come to an agreement on the necessary documentation. So they said they don't feel proceed because that was not the agreement they have on the onset, because they told Governor Godwin Obaseki led transition team that they should provide those documents within 24 hours before any other meeting. But they said that Governor Godwin Obaseki led transition team didn't provide that, so that was why they were notably absent. On Tuesday, so my people go like make una chook mouth for this matter, make una tell me wetin dey una mind, your thoughts, una contributions, your opinion in our comment section. I would like to hear from Una. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Benin Social Cultural Group Igbe Edo Progressive Alliance carpeted the restated deputy governor of Edo State, Finaly Shaibu, over alleged anti-Bini diatribes. The group also did not, spare the former governor of Edo State, Senator Adams Oshomole, whom they accuse of casting aspersions of prominent Bini leaders when he was governor, and recently celebrity of Bini origin, Charlie Poppy and Rema, during the campaign for the governorship election. So the group, in their statement that was signed by their president, Engineer Karl Otokiti, stated that they don't have anything against Philip Shaibu. That's They don't have anything against him fighting his impeachment. But the group has to caution him against talking down on the people, on Bini people especially. So he advised Bini politicians who stock in trade, whom he said that they are mischaracterizing their fellow politicians for cheap gains, to desist from that act. So part of the statement, which reads that while respecting Philip Shaibu's right and privileges to express his frustration over his impeachment, they said they are here to warn him and Mr. Adams Oshomole to desist forthwith from antagonizing Bini people in the most notorious tribal connotations. My people, during the gubernatorial elections campaign, Engineer Karl said that Senator Adams Oshomole castigated Charlie Poppy and Rema. These are outstanding Nigeria pop musician star of Bini ancestral background. He said simply because they showed up at the instance of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Come to Philip Shaibu. He said Philip Shaibu vilified Rema under guise that he was hosted at the Samuel Igbemudia Stadium to perform at the discounted gate fee. So Philip Shaibu gravitated from to Barrister Osaro Doje, attack his person and character in a trendy video interview in the most ridiculous manner by linking him to be worse than a scorpion. So they have it in a good authority that a number of Bini people who are princes and nobles have been penciled down for their anti-Bini character assassination in a bid to paint the Uzaro people more politically credible in Tinubu's presidential villa for more viable political appointments. Now they've made it clear to Philip Shaibu that they don't have anything against him fighting for his impeachment. But what they will not tolerate is for him to start talking down on the Bini people. Right now, my people, as it stands, they are warning him and Senator Adams Oshomole to desist from that act, from antagonizing Bini people in the most notorious tribal connotations. They say it doesn't make sense. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to yours. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your next. Bye for now.